Many English words that end in IVE end in IF in French. Active is pronounced
actif, actif,
passive is pronounced
passif, passif.
Note that in French, you usually give the stress to the last part of a word.
Passif, passif.
Do you remember how to say I am in French?
Je suis,
Try to say I am active.
je suis actif. Je suis actif.
To say primitive, you say
Primitif.
now just listen.
C'est primitif.
Try to ask, it is primitive? Change your intonation to ask a question.
C'est primitif. C'est primitif.
As you have learned in previous lesson, you can use the question maker phrase
Est-ce que
to ask the same question.
Est-ce que c'est primitif? Est-ce que c'est primitif?
Here is how to say you are in French.
Vous êtes. Vous êtes.
And here is how to ask are you.
Est-ce que vous êtes? Est-ce que vous êtes?
Ask, are you Stefan?
Est-ce que vous êtes Stéphane? Est-ce que vous êtes Stéphane?
Of course, you can just change your intonation and ask.
Vous êtes Stéphane?
So without the question maker phrase,
Est-ce que
you are Stefan?
vous êtes Stéphane? Vous êtes Stéphane?
Now just listen.
Vous êtes créatif? Vous êtes créatif? Créatif, primitif, actif.
I'm sure you have a question at this point. Why are we pronouncing F at the end of the words?
Créatif, primitif, actif.
However, there is no vowel after the consonant F. Note that some consonants at the end of the French words must be pronounced, even if they are not followed by a vowel. And F is one of those consonants.
Créatif, passif, primitif, actif.
Here is how to say tonight, or literally this night.
Ce soir, ce soir.
Another consonant that must be pronounced at the end of the French words is er. So in this phrase,
Ce soir,
er must be pronounced.
ce soir.
A very common way to greet someone in French is to say
Bonjour,
which literally means good day.
bonjour.
And also in this phrase, you need to pronounce the consonant er.
Bonjour, jour. Bonjour.
And here is how to say goodbye in French.
Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir.